Removing the rear light on the F21 series. Now under the plastic cover you've got a 10mm nut. Take care not to drop it into the bumper. Now you can grab the light assembly and pull it off these two mountings on the back of the fitting. Then you need to disconnect the wiring. To get to the bulbs you need to pull these tabs out. Now you've got only two bulb types on the rear lights on this one series. The P21W bulbs for the brake light, side light and the reverse light, and then you've got a PY21W for the indicator, and they're all just push and twist anti-clockwise to remove, and push and twist clockwise to reinsert.